holding a banana. I am holding a banana. I like bananas. I wanna hold a banana. I want to travel with this banana. I need a banana. I want a banana. I have a banana. The bananas are good. I don't like apples. I don't like oranges. I just want a banana. I get some milk and I'll dunk it in the milk. And I'll eat the banana. I'll turn it into a cell phone. I'll turn it into a cell phone. And I'll travel with this banana. I'll go outside and play with this banana. But then it got too old and he threw it away. And then he went back to the store. He got himself more bananas. There's more bananas. There's more bananas. And he called his friends on the banana phone. He said, yo, guess what? I've got a banana, and I'm calling you on my banana phone. Do 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 do.